In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Revolut app on Android. This process is straightforward and will help you access a range of financial services right from your device. Let's get started with the first step. First, you need to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the marketplace where you can download apps. You'll recognize the Play Store by its colorful triangle logo. Once you tap on the icon, the screen will display various categories of applications, games, and more. If prompted, make sure to log into your Google account. This is important because it ensures you can install apps and access your purchases later. Take a moment to locate the Play Store app and tap it to begin. Next, you will need to tap the search bar at the top of the screen. The search bar is a long rectangular box where you can enter text. Once you tap on it, a keyboard will appear, allowing you to type. Now type Revolut into the search bar. As you type, you might see suggested searches pop up below. These suggestions can help if you're unsure of the spelling. After entering the name, press the search icon or hit enter. This action will prompt the Play Store to display a list of apps related to your search. Now look for the official Revolut Spend Save Invest app published by Revolut Limited. It's crucial to select the official version to ensure you are downloading the legitimate app. The official app will usually have a high rating and numerous reviews. As you browse the search results, you'll notice the app icon, which features a vibrant design. Once you find it, tap on the app to view more details. This step is important because choosing the right app helps keep your information secure. After selecting the app, you will see an option to tap Install. This button is typically located right below the app description and ratings. By tapping Install, you are initiating the download process. Once you do this, the app will begin downloading and installing on your device. You'll see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This ensures that you can access the app quickly and efficiently after the installation is complete. Finally, once the installation is finished, you will see an Open button appear. Tap on this button to launch the Revolut app for the first time. The app will guide you through the setup process, allowing you to create your account or log in if you already have one. This completes the downloading process, and you now have access to a range of features that Revolut offers, such as spending, saving, and investing. You can feel confident that you are now ready to manage your finances effectively with the app. This concludes the steps for downloading the Revolut app on your Android device. Each action you took was important for ensuring a smooth installation. You can now enjoy the convenience of managing your finances right from your phone. Thank you for following along, and happy banking with Revolut.